Welcome to Pro Speak English. Let's learn to speak English with confidence.
Hello there. Welcome back to our English series. Today we are starting a very useful topic, travel. I have just arrived at a hotel called the Grand Plaza. The first thing you must do at a hotel is check in. This is where you get your room key. Watch how I give my information to the receptionist. Let's begin.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Plaza Hotel. How may I help you today?
Good afternoon. I am here to check in. I have a reservation under the name Sarah Lynn.
Excellent. Let me pull up your reservation. Could you please spell your last name for me?
Certainly. It is L-I-N. Lynn.
Thank you, Miss Lynn. Yes, here it is. A reservation for 3 nights in a standard queen room. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. 3 nights.
Wonderful. May I please see your passport or a form of ID for verification?
Of course. Here is my passport.
Thank you. Everything looks to be in order. I just need a credit card on file for any incidental charges.
Sure. Here is my card. What is the deposit amount?
It is just a $50 hold per night. It will be released when you check out. Here is your card back.
Okay, that sounds fine. Is breakfast included in my booking?
Yes, a continental breakfast is served every morning in the lobby from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. Here is your room key. You are in room 402.
Thank you so much. Where are the elevators located?
They are just around the corner to your right. Enjoy your stay with us, Miss Lynn.
Did you notice the phrase incidental charges? This means extra costs, like if you break something or order room service. It's very common in hotels. In the next video, I will ask about the hotel amenities, like the pool and Wi-Fi. See you there. Hello again. I have my room key, but before I go upstairs, I have a few questions. When you travel, you often need to ask about amenities. Amenities are the extra things a hotel offers, like Wi-Fi, a gym, or a pool. Let's listen to how I ask for this information.
Is there anything else I can assist you with before you head up to your room, Miss Lynn?
Actually, yes, I have a few questions about the hotel facilities. First, is there Wi-Fi in the room?
Yes, we offer complimentary high-speed Wi-Fi throughout the entire hotel. The network name is Grand Guest.
That is great. Is there a password I need to enter?
Yes, the password is Welcome 2025 with a capital W. It is also written on the key jacket I gave you.
Oh, I see it now. Thank you. Also, do you have a fitness center here?
We do. We have a fully equipped gym located on the 2nd floor. It is open 24 hours a day.
24 hours? That is perfect. Do I need my room key to enter the gym?
Yes, just tap your card on the sensor by the door. We also have a swimming pool next to the gym.
Do you provide towels at the pool, or should I bring one from my room?
There are fresh towels available at the poolside, so you do not need to bring one from your room.
Excellent. And one last thing, what is the checkout time on my final day?
Checkout is strictly at 11 a.m. If you need a late checkout, please call the front desk on the morning of your departure.
Understood. Thank you for all the information. I think I am all set now.
You are very welcome. The elevators are right this way. Have a wonderful evening.
Notice how I asked about the checkout time. This is very important so you do not get charged extra. Also, complimentary is a fancy word for free. In the next video, I will have a small problem with my room and request a change. See you soon. Welcome back. Sometimes when you enter your hotel room, it is not exactly what you wanted. Maybe it is too noisy or the view is bad. It is okay to ask to change rooms if you are polite. In this lesson, I am unhappy because my room is right next to the elevator. Let's see how I handle this.
Oh, hello again, Miss Lynn. Is everything all right with your room?
Well, the room itself is very nice and clean. However, I have a small issue with the location.
I am sorry to hear that. What exactly is the problem with the location?
The room is directly next to the elevators. I can hear the bell ringing every time the doors open. I am a very light sleeper.
Ah, I understand completely. That can be very disturbing if you are trying to rest. Let me check our system immediately.
Thank you. I would really appreciate a quieter room if one is available.
Let me see. We are quite full tonight. I do have a room on the top floor at the end of the hall. It will be much quieter.
That sounds perfect. Does it have the same bed type, a queen bed?
Yes, it is the exact same room type, just in a better location. It also has a view of the city instead of the parking lot.
Oh, a city view is a wonderful upgrade. Is there an extra charge for that room?
Normally there is a small fee, but since you were inconvenienced by the noise, I will upgrade you for free.
That is very kind of you. I really appreciate your help.
It is my pleasure. I just need your old key cards back and I will issue new ones for room 610.
Here are the old keys. I haven't unpacked my suitcase yet, so I am ready to move now.
Perfect. Here are your new keys for the 6th floor. Enjoy the peace and quiet, Miss Lin.
Did you hear how I explained the problem? I said, I am a light sleeper. This gives him a good reason to move me. Also, he gave me a free upgrade. In the next video, I will ask for recommendations on where to eat dinner. See you there. Hello again. I am settled in my new room and now I am very hungry. Hotel receptionists are the best people to ask for advice on where to eat. This is called asking for local recommendations. I want to eat something local, not fast food. Let's listen.
Good evening, Miss Lin. How is the new room? Is it quiet enough for you?
It is perfect, thank you. I cannot hear the elevator at all. Now, I was wondering if you could help me with dinner plans.
I would love to. What kind of food are you in the mood for tonight?
I want to try something local to this city. I do not want a big chain restaurant. Maybe something casual?
I know just the place. There's a fantastic bistro called the Blue Plate. They serve amazing local seafood and pasta.
That sounds delicious. Is it far from here? Do I need a taxi?
Not at all. It's within walking distance. It's about 3 blocks down the street on the left side.
Is it safe to walk there at night?
Yes, this area is very safe and well lit. There are many people walking around in the evening.
Great. Do I need a reservation or can I just walk in?
On a Tuesday night, you should be fine to just walk in, but it gets busy around 8 p.m.
I will go right now then. Could you mark it on a map for me, just in case?
Certainly. Here is a city map. We are here, and the Blue Plate is right here at this intersection.
Thank you so much. You have been very helpful today.
Enjoy your dinner. Try the garlic shrimp. It's my favorite dish there.
It is always smart to ask if an area is safe to walk when you are in a new city. Also, walking distance means it's close enough that you don't need a car. In the final video, I will check out of the hotel and pay my bill. See you done. Hello. Sadly, my trip has come to an end. It is time to check out. This is the process of leaving the hotel and paying for anything extra I used. It is the final conversation you will have at a hotel. Let's see how I settle the bill and say goodbye.
Good morning, Ms. Lin. Are you checking out with us today?
Yes, I am. Here are my room keys.
Thank you. Did you enjoy your stay with us?
Yes, it was wonderful. The new room was very quiet, and the restaurant you recommended was delicious.
I'm glad to hear that. Now, I just need to check if there were any incidental charges. Did you use the minibar in the room?
I had 1 bottle of water from the minibar last night.
Okay, I see that here. So the total for the water and the room tax comes to $15.50. Would you like to use the card we have on file?
Yes, please use the same card.
All set. I have emailed the receipt to you. Would you like a paper copy as well?
No, the email is fine. I try to save paper. Could you possibly call a taxi for me? I need to go to the airport.
Of course. The doorman is hailing one for you right now. It should be waiting outside in about 2 minutes.
Thank you for everything. You have excellent service here.
Thank you, Ms. Lin. We hope to welcome you back to the Grand Plaza in the future. Safe travels.
And that is how you handle a hotel stay from start to finish. We learned how to check in, ask about amenities, change rooms, get food advice, and check out. I hope this series helps you travel with confidence. Don't forget to practice these phrases. See you in the next series.